5 reasons to drink fenugreek water every morning. Herbs and ingredients like cumin seeds and carom seeds have long been put to use by soaking these overnight and consuming the water the first in the morning. The humble fenugreek seeds is another similar ingredient which has long been included and lauded in the Ayurvedic repertoire of herbal remedies. These tiny, amber-colored seeds are packed with nutrients essential for the body and properties that help tackle a range of common ailments. Ayurveda is a goldmine of health-benefiting ingredients. Many of them can also be used in myriad ways to arrive at potions and concoctions to tackle some of the severest of ailments. The potency of herb-infused waters is unquestionable. Fenugreek water is something that anybody can consume. It facilitates weight loss, is good for your liver, kidneys, and metabolism, noted Bengaluru-based weight management expert and nutritionist, Dr. Anju Sood. Fenugreek seeds is hot in nature and therefore is used in very small quantities while cooking and even when preparing herbal remedies. A teaspoon of seeds are enough to be soaked in a cup of water. You can warm the water before having it on an empty stomach. While fenugreek water is beneficial for most, here's taking a look at some of its most pronounced benefits to help you decide why you must consider making fenugreek water a regular part of your dietary routine. 5 reasons to drink fenugreek water up every morning. 1. Excellent for kapha-dominated people. Ayurveda describes kapha-dominated people to have a constitution that lacks heat in their body. Kapha people therefore have a weaker immunity and issues related to cold, cough and flu. Fenugreek water consumption is great for generating heat in the body. It helps give vitality to the body and boosting immunity too. Digestive benefits. Fenugreek water is a great antacid. Its regular consumption may help strengthen the digestive system and check issues tied to gastritis and bloating. It is most beneficial when consumed during colder months, shared Ayurveda and yoga expert Yogakarya Anup from the Chaitanya Foundation. 3. For lactating mothers, fenugreek water is excellent for lactating mothers as it aids in milk production. Methidana has always been one of the ingredients that are used in small proportion, but is excellent for treating various conditions. For pregnant ladies as well as nursing mothers, fenugreek seeds are very beneficial. That is why these are used in laddus that are made especially for new mothers to boost their recovery, shared Anshul Jabharat, a Delhi-based weight management expert and nutritionist. Usually herb-infused fluids, warm water help in getting the uterus back to its pre-pregnancy state. Fenugreek water is also good for that purpose, noted Jabharat. 4. Weight loss. Consuming fenugreek water the first thing in the morning is excellent for boosting metabolism. Its consumption generates heat in the body and help in managing and losing weight. 5 other benefits. Fenugreek water has also been put to use for tackling issues like water retention and bloating, explained Anshul Jabharat. Methidana is a rich source of magnesium, and regular consumption may help your body relax.